Our McDonald's Ventures. Our tablets with keyboard, mouse, Bluetooth speakers. Yes, answer our phones. Our here. Cameras. The money in our pay. Say secret camera and the television there will be. Yes, I a ton. A polythene designer bags. The bono edda for. Ube huni ewa mpamam yeni koko bodia dimshe. Fryer 0243733224. Yes, car spraying oven no so no. With infrared heater na nunti. What car na bas spray ma within 10 minutes in a week. Your new magazine, Fryer 0243733224. Yes, say assemble ba de bi ama no eh osumase no ahome na man yo hye ne yonko bi ono so ekonkwaso no ewu na anapay me kanfo V1 professional smart glasses no e the amount quality and affordable glasses ebowa ebo nyom utimi e the course man ye our voice assistant we dey try photo chargeable glasses. It's for you the sex. Enti oba to me use bema to me use. When you want 0243665188. Saranso na pay laptop na want to chima. O desktop no so want to chima pese ese ni na dem awa KIT Solutions. KIT Solutions as men can chiro. O pese o upgrade your system no. Saranso so na opese what the air software hold on egu air machine eso say air desktop and a laptop fani na abra bedan KIT Solutions your sign eton phones your iPhones hold on ever so XR iPhone 11 iPhone 12 iPhone 14 open Samsung Infinix Tecno and all kinds of phones. What do I need extra more? Ewo aye dwunase GPR to abroad sign esoro hwa e na obi hunu aye KIT Solutions. Yene mel comedian mu hwe. Ye ben big brain. Fryer in 0245404140. What for number no aye kedia. Obeje oso. The more for the Dutch na hu hia ye pa to obi anfa na ba enko school. Ewo Smart Effort College school ewo aye enka no bia na Grace Preparatory School ewo no ewo Soma Kromos a hu oso. Our friend Dutch na hu hia ndi fa no call aye Smart Effort College. Ni wa kwa tron so hia wantwa a person tron foforo no. Ono nso enko aye Smart Effort College. Your mofra no ye je from crèche ke 1 year. Ekogosi aye class 4. Ni wa tron so hia wantwa person tron foforo no so no. Akonya eda ho edema no. Say aye wasi and of deck. Vacation classes no so koso ema aye students ahodo nyina SHS 4 no. General science, general arts, agriculture science, home business, home economics, business subjects, no training in ara, visual arts, and technical subjects. No, identify any actually move. Our Smart Effort College school no our hostel facility kasi our mama fan one mom free children bench urban obia benya baby ada Smart Effort College how the other bofana ban A's and any B's there assured. So choose Smart Effort College for today. Quality education and unmatched convenience. Anti Paobano Echo. What's my first school in Penning for? It was 0245191829 and 0545532976. Smart Maku enum abo apa eye nonkro ehu ene anapai ewo menua bema dom glass nkroma ewa ha Douglas a member of the NDC regional communication team or mention sorry Douglas MPP ni Makwako person wa me ho and Douglas member of the NPP regional communication team or mention ewa ha se here's a yenuanom NDC for this but omo ma ye de ye free asia ne sa omo ba bebia yadru no na wom nso so ababeka ye ho na asem a enura epie ye about amnesty. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ede Emma yenu anum bi mu a omo ewo efiase. Na His Excellency ejina tumi a oman no ede ama no so. Ena ode krata ba montin a yetumi grante nipa bi mu amnesty ema wo mu efri efiase. Na a statement signed by presidential spokesperson Felix Kwakye indicated that the amnesty covered 87 first-time offenders who will be released, 87 death row inmates whose anything. Douglas, good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
What is it?
Nyamia dom ene wa fa hye. Nche bia latiboko.
Nice one. And I have been